Hi, this is Legacy Handyman. Today we're going to talk about tape measures and a couple of tips you might didn't know about. One of the features of the tape is casing, which is in Stanley it's 3 inches and it's marked clearly on every tape. So let's say you want to measure something next to the wall, like we're measuring this section of the fence, and we're going from here to here. This is 40 and a half. And we know it says on the tape that it's 3 inches, so we got 43 and a half inches of that section of the fence. Pay attention to the measurements. The Stanley tapes are 3 inches even. This tape is 3 5/8. The Milwaukee tape is 3 1/8. One of these features is a true zero hook, which is moving, and some people think it's a flaw in the design, but it's actually designed this way. So if you're measuring something if you butt it up next to the material or a wall or whatever you're measuring, it's going to be 0. But also if you hook it to something, it moves out and it's still gonna give you 0. Another feature of the tape that is very useful is that little hole in the tape measure. The Milwaukee got a little square hole. Stanley got this one. You can put the nail or a screw in any material, like a floor or anything like this, and measure the distance between the center of the screw to the end. So you can drive the nail or a screw somewhere, like on a larger scale object like a fence, hook it up and go all the way to 25 feet and still measure it without any help. Another feature with this hole, you can draw the circles. Let's say you need to cut the wall, let's say 6 inches, so we're going for 3 inch. Put the pencil on it, put it on the screw, and draw the circle that are 6 inches wide. Another thing with that hook is you can mark, like let's say you cut in 2x4, you want 16 inches, you go 16 inches and you just press on it, you got a mark at 16 inches without using pencil or anything like this. Another thing you should know about this tape, it's got that red dots over here, 16, 32, 48, every 16 inches in perspective. These are marked for the studs. When you find your first stud, the next stud will be 16 inches apart. You find your first stud, you take the tape measure, you put it here, your next stud should be at 16 inches apart. Let's check it. Another marks on this tape is that little black squares right here. These are used for roofing. They are 19 3/16 apart, and that's where the spacing for the rafters are. Thank you for watching. That was Legacy Handyman. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos.